Stolzberg. We're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with my good friend Giovanni.
Hello.
And we're making something cool today. What are we doing?
This is something totally different.
Yeah.
So it's October, the leaves are falling, all the beautiful colors, right? We're making an Oktoberfest Bratwurst Sandwich. Take these bratwursts, and then I'm gonna throw it in the oven, and then we're gonna build a cheese sauce.
Sounds good.
Beer, cheese sauce, right?
Beer cheese sauce.
What do we need? We need beer, right?
Of course.
Just wanna pour a little beer here, so once it starts simmering, all the alcohol content is kind of dissipate. So I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of cream. This is gonna be the base of the cheese sauce, right? Shredded cheddar, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it in.
Okay.
Look at the cheese, see it's melting already?
Yes.
Whole grain mustard.
Yes.
I like mustard, so I'm going in. Look at that.
But there's more, isn't there?
Well, we're gonna build a sandwich now.
Yes.
All right, Lil, which one should I use?
I like this one.
I was looking at that one too.
Were you?
Yeah. Butterfly it. Take a little bit of this sauce. Look at that. Those brats should be ready. I finished these in the oven, and I sliced them in half, and I threw them on the grill. So we're just gonna start piling these on. We're gonna keep going, Lil.
Okay.
You know what? I want a little bit more sauce on top. Sauerkraut, Lil.
Love sauerkraut.
This is what makes the sandwich, if you ask me. Just gonna get in there, Lil.
Do it. What are you?
Right,
Don't be
right.
polite. Looks like we're family.
Crunchy onions, Lil.
Yes.
What should I put on it?
I don't know. Maybe scallions?
There you go, Lil. Look
Yes.
at that.
Grab a beer.
And some brats.
Make this. So head to our website, news12.com. You will find the recipe there. Good job.
Thank you, Lil.